Hi, I'm Brian Westover, and we're here with Acer at CES 2025. Right now we're looking at the Nitro Blaze handheld gaming PCs, and the big news is, well, it's big. This is Acer's new 11-inch handheld gaming PC. Obviously you've got an 11-inch screen. It's also a standalone tablet because you've got detachable controllers on the sides, but it's big in other ways too. But surprisingly light, 2.31 pounds, light enough to hold, easily carry, big enough that you can use it as a handheld, detach those controllers, back up, use it as more of a gaming system or even a shared experience with other people. Under the hood, you've got an AMD Ryzen 7 laptop processor, so not something specialized to handheld gaming, but more powerful and generalized use, including AI. With 38 TOPS, this is going to drive all sorts of AI features. But on the gaming side, you've got a full Windows experience. You can get Xbox PC Game Pass, Wi-Fi 6E, Acer Game Space, all of the features that you're used to, plus this nice big 11-inch WQXGA display that's 2560 by 1600 resolution. Everything you play on here is going to look great. Also, under the hood, 16 gigs of RAM, up to 2 terabytes of storage. Default, it's going to come with 512 gigs of storage. All right, so this is the 8-inch Nitro Blaze handheld. Obviously, it's a lot smaller. You've got a smaller screen, still very high resolution. And instead of detachable controllers on the sides, it's all one unit. If you flip it around, you can see this is all a solid piece. So definitely more for portable use and single player use. But a lot of what's there is still the same and just as powerful. You've got a laptop grade Ryzen 7 inside, 16 gigs of memory, up to 2 terabytes of storage, but defaults at 512. You've got all the same features, Wi-Fi 6E, USB 4 connectivity. You've got Acer Game Space, you've got Xbox Game Pass. Fantastic little handheld gamer at a lower price, a little more portable design. So that's the Nitro Blaze in 8 and 11-inch sizes. Obviously, this is some of the coolest stuff we've seen so far, but this is a week of cool things because we're at CES all week long. So stick with us, we're PCMag, we're bringing you all of the tech news from CES 2025.